Hello, this is Chris, back again with another video. Today, I have another solution for the Mavic Pro while you're traveling, so stay tuned. One small little problem is I would like to have a full set of propeller holders. I did have a full set, but they were really cool. They were made out of rubber. I ordered it from some third party on Amazon, and they really worked out well. But I lost the top part, and so now when I'm carrying this around, the propellers are going to be flapping around, even if they're in a little sack like this. So never fear, the 3D printer is here, and I'm going to print something for it that will basically latch on this arm here and on the other arm here, and hopefully it doesn't scrape it too much. Maybe I'll put some little rubber stoppers or something like that so it doesn't scrape. But there's a few options on Thingiverse that I'm going to be looking at. Now, there's other ones just like this on Thingiverse, but I thought I'd need to get used to working with AutoCAD. I don't even know if this is going to work, really. So hopefully this is enough to latch on to the propeller arm, I guess. So let's start the print. Let me generate the code. Okay, so I want to have, 20% infill should be fine. I'm going to put this on fast, and the layer height, I'm going to have it at 0.27 millimeters. So we'll see. And I'm not going to put any support on there. Raft, no. And we'll just see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Okay, it is finished, and I'm very happy with the print. It is very snug. Okay, so I had to sand off the lip just a little bit. That was the modification that I made to this, but the lip was a bit much, and I didn't want it to rip off or whatever. So it is extremely snug, right? And I don't have to worry about it coming off anymore. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and there are more 3D prints that I have for the Mavic coming up in future videos. Thanks again.